Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the hotspot is active and your Xbox is updated. This prevents handshake failures. Next, power the console and open Settings General Network to check wireless scanning. You should also have your Xfinity account credentials ready or plan to use the guest portal. That way, when the Xbox finds the hotspot SSID, you won't be stalled entering details on a different device. Once done, proceed to Scan Networks and select the Xfinity Wi-Fi SSID shown. Once you pick the Xfinity SSID on your Xbox, the console may not display a portal page. That's common because Xbox lacks a browser for some captive portals. If that happens, open a phone or tablet and connect to the same hotspot, then complete the Xfinity sign-in or guest registration. After authenticating, the hotspot will allow your Xbox traffic. Make sure DHCP is enabled. Only use manual IP/DNS if the network blocks or isolates devices and you know the correct values to enter. Finish by running network test network connection on the Xbox to confirm internet access and check NAT type. A moderate NAT may limit multiplayer. If the test fails, reboot the console and the hotspot source, then repeat the sign-in on a mobile browser to reauthorize devices. Make sure the hotspot doesn't enforce device isolation. If it does, enable client sharing or use your phone as a mobile hotspot after signing into Xfinity. If problems persist, contact Xfinity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.